amazing, very nice. Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today something Italian, something traditional. My mom used to make very nice. It's we call Carne Alla Pizzaiola. Pizzaiola is a sauce. I'm going to make sirloin steaks in pizzaiola sauce. I asked my butcher to give me 3 sirloin, not too fake, just quite medium. We need garlic, we need 3 teaspoons of puree, tomato puree, 3 teaspoons of capers, some passata is just tomato sauce, oregano is very important, salt and pepper. Anything else, very easy and nothing else. It's so tasty and 15-20 minutes everything is ready. The flame's on, nice olive oil, quite generous. Garlic, I like press a little bit this garlic, just like that, for more flavor. Later this garlic, if you like you can leave there, if not you can take it out, okay? Oh, I love the garlic smell. Now, I'm gonna splash it a little bit. Capers, quite nice amount of oregano. And now guys, we put the puree inside. We leave to just now. In this moment, we just season it quickly. The meat, just some salt and pepper, because there we're going to put more salt and pepper. The smell, guys, is already very nice. Now mix in 2 and 3. One is for me, one is for Enrico, and one is for Giusy. Now guys, this we cook around 3 minutes per side, and we're going to add some passata. Another 5-6 minutes is everything ready. See you in 6 minutes. Okay, 6 minutes done. It's gone. Now some passata. Just like this. And now leave it to cook, you know, just move it often. This gonna cook around 5-6 minutes, very high flame, and that's it. Check the salt and pepper is done. We see you when it's cooked in 5-6 minutes. Guys, 7 minutes and the sirloin cooked in the pizzaiola sauce is ready. Now the smell, guys, is something amazing, very nice. I feel Italian. I'm feeling Italy when I'm cooking this stuff. Like my mom used to make this often, but now is the time to try it. And we see. I show you the, you know. I choose this steak. Look, it's perfect cook. I choose this sirloin because we here at home we like this, but you can use any meat you like. Important is not too thick, it's gonna cook quickly, you know, perfettissima. Guys, è un capolavoro, it's a masterpiece. 15 minutes you have this, wow, it's amazing. Guys, the pizzaiola is so nice. The sirloin in pizzaiola sauce is this, guys, is something amazing. And if you like, share with friends, subscribe on the channel, check our website cookingwithanitalian.com, and it's amazing. If you like, guys, finger up and follow us. Ciao!